Hello everyone, this is HowToCode, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do CSS. This is how you move stuff around on your page, like the header and the main, the sidebar. So we made this HTML file from the basics we learned last lesson, the how to make a div, the container. I've told you how to do this all for if you want to use CSS. So we got all the IDs and the divs made up, the main, ID sidebar, ID container. If you really want to pause the video right now, you can just copy off it. Okay, we can close up. The first thing we want to do is create a new file called style.css. So we got this done. The first thing we want to do is go in here and we want to link this up. So you link rel equals style sheet href, and then we're going to change this into style.css. I'm going to save this. Now style.css in our index.html is now linked up. Now we can change stuff around. So first thing we want to do, I'm going to put body. This is just the default body. This is all body's all this pretty much. Anything in here. We want to set background color, so just put background dash color and put this as gray and a semicolon at the end. We save this and refresh the page. Now the whole background's gray. I'm gonna be trying to show you what I did in the last video, pretty much, all the basic steps to make pretty much the exact same thing we made last time. So when you want to access an ID, you want to put hashtag exact same, curly brackets, and then what I'm gonna do here, background color white. Now all the background color on my website are white. So the list, all the text, I just got this off Google HTML as a standard. You put whatever you want here. So now we want to make the width 1000. That 1000 as well. Now it's gonna do this. So you make this big screen. If it's all to the left, we don't want that. So we want a margin. Marginalize it. So margin left, put auto, and then we'll put margin right auto. By the way, if you want to get this shell I'm using, it's Atom. So we can save this and refresh the page and put on big screen. Now it's all in the center. But this is all just like it was before, even though I moved it all around. So do this for a new one. Let's just do the header first. The header, change the background color. Let's change the blue or something. You can do hashtag codes as well, but there you go. We want to add a padding. Padding just makes the extra, like add little, like 10 pixels, like underneath the left and above it. So just put 10. Yeah. 10 pixels. Save this. You can pretty much see what it does. It adds extra 10 pixels above and below it. And we can put dash align center, and now move that to the center. And you want to change the text color, we'll just put color. There you go. We got the header in the blue with white text. That's pretty much all you have to do for that. Okay, next bit, you want to change sidebar. Save all this. The sidebar want to be change the width. So you want this to be 200 pixels wide, since our things 1000. So probably go about to here or something. You can change if you really want to. Width is that. Height. Oops, dizzy. 8,005. Yep. I mean 805. 805. 850. Okay. So change that to that. Put px at the end. It's gonna move all this down below, but we're gonna change that in a second. Okay, now I want to float it to the left. This. You don't have to do float right, but this, I'm still gonna do that anyways. And we can change the background color as well. Let's change it to, so it stands out. There you go, now I got a pink sidebar. You can change it to any color you want, doesn't have to be blue, doesn't have to be pink. The background color doesn't have to be grey, but you can change it if you really want to. Actually, I just changed it to yellow, so. Bit neonish, but well. Now we need to get main. The hashtag main. I think it's hashtag. Yep, definitely hashtag main. We're gonna do width 800. We're doing that. That's gonna be from. So that's 200. Then that's 800 pixels there. Oh, the 1000. So now we got that done. Change the height. To X. Yeah, and you put the X by this is. Save that. There you go. Now this copyright thing. If you really want to know how to do the copyright, I'll show you right now. On the index, all you have to do is copyright and copy colon. That gives you the symbol and then your name. So now we got this set done. Now we need to do the footer. Tag. Footer. Save this read. Text. Line. Center. That. And if you get any like the white background not in the right place, we can both that. That should fix any issues you have above. Yeah, that's pretty much what you pretty much have to do. It's really simple when you get a hang of it. It's pretty much just like English pretty much with high background color float. Or you have to really know. You can change the text text like style, but I can't remember which one it was. I'll do that on a different video, but yeah, you can save all this and have all the stuff here. Text is on the right. You got a list here. Just to show you, we can change main background color as well. It wasn't gonna change text color just by putting color, but background color. We can do this like thing. There you go. Background color is now pink for this. You really want to. Oh, you want. Oh, right. There you go. If you get that, if you want to change the background color, make sure it's float right. But you don't really have to do that unless you want to change the background color. And we can change this, the background color on this, to whatever you want, like Let's change this to now we got the bottom bit green. We're gonna add a big pattern to this as well. There you go. It's what you really have to do, pretty much. You want to create a website. You can change the colors up. It's a bit ugly, that's not gonna lie, but it just shows you like how to do everything. This is a very simple one. It ain't really that hard if you know what you're doing. CSS is probably the easiest bit out of JavaScript and the PHP. But there you go. That's all you really need to know. And I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.